Department Artificial Intelligence and Data Science of Ishwari Engineering College. This is our very first club meeting, and we are grateful to have you all here to inaugurate our VMAX Club. The name VMAX was derived from the three popular OS, Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this modern era or information era, we are drowning in information but starved for knowledge. And I am extremely privileged to welcome our respected chief guest, Mr. Bharat Kumar sir, for accepting our invitation and to share his knowledge with us. I am also honored to welcome our head of our department, Mr. Kanaga Subaraja sir, and our coordinator, Mrs. Revati ma'am, and our fellow students to this exciting event. Never regard study as a duty, but as a blessed opportunity to learn and gain knowledge for our personal joy and using them for the benefit of our community and our world. Now, my friend and also a coordinator, Sanjay Karthik, will give a brief introduction about our chief guest. Now, Sanjay will continue.
Thank you, Naveen. Once again, a very warm welcome to all our present here. To make this day very special, Mr. Bharat Kumar has joined with us. Welcome, sir. Mr. Bharat Kumar is working as an associate consulting engineering in Atos Central at Pune. He also working with Technology Unix, Cobol, and Node.js. He is well interested in software development, website development, and networking. His current project is on healthcare, and he serves for Healthcare of America. He is well versed in freelancer project too. He always determined to take up new challenges and technologies. He got certificate of appreciating in mobile application development in Velamol Engineering and Technological Madurai. He also got a certificate of participating in project held by Savita Institution of Technology. He has also completed a project from freelancer and got 1.20 lakhs as a cash prize. Having him today with us is absolutely a boon for us. We as students are really lucky to lend our ears for us lecture. As a student, I feel extremely happy to be a part of this session. He is today here to teach us the workshop on web development. Over to you, sir. The floor is yours.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Hi,
sir.
how are you all? Can we make it as an interactive session so it will be very nice?
Yes, sure, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so which year are you from? That means which year are you studying right now?
The second year, sir.
Okay, sure, that's nice. So do you have any knowledge about websites or how we can make websites, or we can do how the companies are working with, how the websites are built in, with like by using Google we can make so many websites, as well as there is so many templates are available, and we can earn money through with it by using freelancer, as well as so many projects which we are getting outside right now. So today I'm just going to teach you about some basics of website. It's not possible within 1 hour to learn everything, because it takes me 1.5 years to learn web designing fully completely, and I have done so many projects on that, and I have developed projects for uh, schools as well as some companies. And before I worked in HCL for 6 months with an UI developer, and now currently I'm working with the Atos Central as a Unix and Cobol developer right now. So I will share my experience, how it will be there present in web development too. So if you want, I can make note of it. It will be. Can we make it as an interactive session? So it's nice. So for
Right.
web development, we have to learn. I will tell you what we need to learn so that we can go through it. So that I will say some tips to how to register to freelancer and get projects too. How we need to fit in freelancer so that we will get projects very fastly. So that we can first we need to learn from something, and then we need to earn. So I will just tell you the basics now, so that after that we are going to learn how to register with the freelancer and get the projects as well, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, and another one thing, sir. You're hearing some noise in your side, sir. Background.
I think there is just a second. Let me check my network.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it okay?
No, sir. Again, we are hearing the noise, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Okay, thanks. So first we need to go for the web development. So what is meant by website? Anybody have a knowledge about that? No, like how the websites has been built, and then like in daily basis, like Facebook is a website actually, and then some of the websites, what like Myntra and so many websites is there, like commercial, Flipkart, Amazon. This and all will be done using codes like HTML. It's very easy, very easy language. Even 8th class and 10th class students right now, they are dealing with websites. You can develop by using very simple codes. It's not very tough. It's very simple. So can I use my screen share to note some points?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir. You can start presenting. I'll stop my screen, sir. You can share now.
Okay, can you give me 1 minute so that I will share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Can you see my screen of Notepad? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is
sir.
visible,
We
sir.
can see, sir.
Okay, so actually to write an HTML, or a CSS or this and all the languages, first to develop a basic web page, just we need to have like a Chrome browser or an Internet Explorer or in Firefox, whatever it may be, and we are going to write the codes and everything will be on Notepad. I just use Notepad++, but for explaining, I'm just using Notepad. In you know if you use Notepad++ or Sublime or somewhere else, it will give you a nice texture for your coding so that you will understand where the error is going on. Okay, for for learning the HTML, it's very basic. We need technologies like to improve a website like HTML. Is it visible or can I change my font? It's
Try
visible,
to
right?
increase the font size.
Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay, sure. So first we need to learn the basics of HTML, and then we'll go with the CSS, and then next we are going to with the JS. These are the languages is enough for only for the UI developer for present. For HTML we need to have a notepad so that we can write the code. So I will just say the simple code for HTML. First, it's an HTML, so we are going to start with the HTML basics. So here we will be having two tags. Here the command lines or the programs we will call it as tags. The tag will be start with open and then close braces. Okay, so we are writing everything will be inside the tags. So if you write here, it is a HTML code, so we need to write it as HTML, and then we need to close what the tag we have been used. It's a main important thing in HTML. So if you create like this, we need to for it's an file where we have been created like HTML and then close HTML. Inside this we will have the some of the topics, like we'll be having a title, and then we need to close the title again. So we will have some body. It's like it's like a human body, where we need to write everything inside the body. The codes and all will be there here. uh, that's it. It's a simple web page. We have created one simple web page. That's it. If you write here hi, and we need to save. insert somewhere. See, we are going to run this in a browser. So if you see, like, here you can see my browser is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here, this is a web page. This is a basic web page for the creation. This is a web page where I have one.html. It's an HTML file where I have, so it's an web page fully. It's a blank. No, this is the syntax for HTML, and then like that, we can add some images or everything we can add. We can add, like, there is some tags. Okay, I will say the tags. There will be tags. Heading tags will be of 6. We have 6 tags, that is h1. We'll have h2. Like this, like this, you can see, like, until h6. We'll have only until h6. Heading tags will be of h6, and we'll have, like, another tag like paragraph. P represents the paragraph, where if you want to write something like, if you want to write like this, we are going to write in paragraph. If you write like this, it's an syntax for a paragraph, and heading tags I will show you. Just 1 minute. I'll show with example. For example, if I given now h1 tag like this, here I have given, like, hi everyone. You can see the difference, what I have typed before, what I have typing now. So see, can you see the difference before? This is a normal text, and this one will be if I use h1. Okay, can you see my screen? But I'll confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same content, like, I use, like, h2, h3. Let's see something. Yeah, just now I used, h3 up to h3, so that I will find the difference. So you can see the difference, right? This is h1, this is h2, and this is h3, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if this text is away here, so it's not nice. So I'm just going to move that to here, like, it's and all, what I'm saying is syntax, so you can just note it down. Like this, we can write up to h6, so that the text will be, reduced, size will be reduced up to h6. So if I want to align it to center, there is a tag called align is equal to
I use this, you can see, hi everyone is in, just I used, this one is here, right? So have you got it? I just used align. Okay, it's a syntax. If I use align, the h1 tag, that is I given in only in h1 tag, so that it has been aligned in the center. Okay, and if I want to move everything into center, so I have the another tag for it. So there is a tag called center. It's like in simple English, what you are talking. Just open here. So until here I need center. If I do this, everything has been moved into center. Okay, and if I use like a paragraph, I use P. Good morning. I use, see, one thing you need to remember is, if you open the tag, definitely you need to close the tag. Otherwise, I know that command alone will not work. It's like an interpreter. The interpreter and compiler, right? Does anyone know what is meant by interpreter and compiler? No.
Yes, sir.
So can I know what is meant by interpreter or a compiler?
Sir, interpreter is it interprets the code, and while the compiler compiles the entire code and gives us the output, sir.
No, I'm just asking the difference between it. No, the main difference.
Sir, compiler takes the entire code in one run, whereas the interpreter takes one by one.
Yeah, no, HTML is also like HTML and whatever the technologies you are using, it's like an interpreter. So it will, wherever you done mistake, that line will not work out. The other thing on all will work out. Okay. So
Okay,
for example, if you have done mistake here, the alignment will go. Like for example, I don't use center tag for paragraph. You can see the difference here. Yeah, you can just see the difference here, right? It's a paragraph where it will come at as
Yeah, it has a default alignment.
yeah, it will go for only, it will just take the what the alignment has been given for it. And if you have done something mistake, that line will not execute, remaining and all will execute.
Okay, sir.
So here also, here for example, we can download some images like, no, I just save as desktop. No, just I will show the how to insert an image. Here we have an image source, image s or c is equal to, so this is an image tag. It's an tag for image where we are going to insert the image into the web page. Okay, this is a simple web page where I have been created. Here I have some image like I had downloaded on Rose from the Google. So it's an here. So first you need to, before inserting, first you need to know what the image format. That means you need to know it's an PNG or an JPEG or some other formats images have. So first we need to know. For that we need to click on the image and then we need to see it's an file type. Oh, sorry, it will not work out. Better we can go with the JPEG. So first we need to check with the format. I'm just checking. What is it? Okay, I will just copy this file name, so that you need to give one thing. The file name is 2, that is the image name is 2 dot, what is the format? Is it right? So if I save, And then if I run my browser, everything we are doing only in the browser, not somewhere else. We need some browsers. Okay, have you seen this? Mesh has been inserted. Is it visible? Hello? Hello?
Sir,
So,
yes, sir, it's
Yeah,
visible.
it's visible. So like it's image has been inserted.
yes, sir, it's visible only, sir.
Yeah, like this, we can insert the images and and everything. So this is a simple website. So I will show how the login page, like Facebook we are using right nowadays. Everyone use Facebook, I think so. So we can just create an form which contains username, like I'll just show it out. So before I forgot to tell, like title. A title is used where for example, here you can see Google Meet, right? You can see the image as well as Meet, you can see, right, in the browser upside. Can you see it? In
Yes,
every
sir.
in every website, if you open some browser, it will be see like Google Meet or VGN School or Cisco WebEx. For that we are using the title. For example, if I given like some form fields, okay, I will give login details and login. So I will just show it out. So then I will continue with the if I say this. Sorry. I say this. So here is my 3. Can you see here? It's login. It's indicate the title. What is the title of that page? So just in the body, I'm just going to create something like a boxes where we are going, where you do login, right? For example, without any like colors also we can add. I'll say in the body if you use bg color. Here I know the color spelling is COLOR. You need to use as COLOR. If I use like blue, sky blue, I use as a sky blue. So you can find it as a sky blue. The color has been changed. It's just a simple tag, BG color. Like that means BG color. Same as if you can insert images also. In this, I need boxes. Like one box for username, one box for password, and one box for login. Okay. First, for the username, I need to create a form. These and for the tags for creating the forms and all. These and form. So I need to create input I is equal to uses input type is equal to password. So if I save, I run. Can you see the screen?
Yeah,
sir.
sir. It's clear.
Sir.
So I just creating the forms and find it out. And form, it's also an format, so you can just
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
that's right. Yeah, that's fine. So where is my notepad? It's gone. Okay, so before I have created two things, right? One is for username, other one is for password. Can you see it? In password, if you type anything, you can't able to see. That's okay. I'll type again, no problem. Yeah, this was the code before I have written, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can see it, right? Does anyone does see check? Sorry, does everyone see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So for no, it's not nice, right? For looking, no, it's coming, side by side. It's not nice, right? So for that alignment, inside the form, I'm just giving as some username. And it's an and password. So you can see username and you can see password. Now also it's not nice, so I'm just going to drag one thing. That means down by down. There is tags only where you no need to close, like beer is a tag where we can break. Okay, let's see what will happen. It came down by down, right? If I given one more time beer, we'll get some space here, right? So this thing I need to be in center. Yes, it came to center. Now you need to have an submit button. So if I use here, and if I use input type is equal to right, and we'll see what will happen. So we have got a button. So can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a simple form creation where we can create like this. So we have so many elements, not only like it's a username also, it's not nice. We can make it as up. So if you break here, it will go down. If you break, it will. So you can change it here. Username, password, and then type here something, and then password something. It's not visible. If I click, it will be refresh. So to store this everything, you need something database. So do you have any idea about the databases where like use SQL or anything up to now? Do you got in syllabus like getting database subject? Have you got? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here you got the database subject, right? So whatever we are typing here, so if you submit here, so it will be linked up to your database. Okay, this is where we create a simple form. So I think it's 11:50, so it's some basic how you want to know about. So can I say how to learn quickly? So yes, anybody interested to learn very quickly, they can do websites. Have you done before these things and all before in time? Can I know? Anyone, have you done this? Have anyone done this before, like creating a web page or something interesting? So someone has been done. Okay, so these basics. So there is some websites where you can learn very deeply. First thing is I will show that does you know about W3 schools? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Tutorial
Yes,
point.
sir. We know, sir.
Tutorial point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will show what I have been developed for a school. It's available in net. You can search like VGN. It's my website where I have been created for that school. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
It's the website what I have been created for in Chennai VGN school. Right now it's running. You can find it out in website also. And like if you type VGN schools, it's a website what I have been developed for that school. Like once you develop, you will come to know everything. So the basic templates are available in internet, so that you can grab the code easily. Free templates. Have you listened about templates or something else? Hello.
Heard about it, but do not know the website, sir.
Okay.
Can you suggest some, sir?
No, first I will suggest about the freelancing, so that I will suggest after that templates where you can download from the internet, so you can understand very easily. So if possible you also just go to the browser in your laptops or mobiles or somewhere else. Just type the freelancer.india, not com, freelancer. Yeah. Freelancer.in. Here, see, you can see the are you seeing my screen, or you're also following up with doing just okay? Yeah, once you screen the screen, so that I will tell you, so that you'll come to know. After that, you can just register through it, so that I will say how you can bet through freelancing. And then if you design a basic web page, that what they need, so they will pay you at least of 20 to 30,000 for a page. First, for that you need to sign up. First, for that everyone has been dying sign up. Anyone know about freelancer? Listen about it. Okay, so have you registered with it anytime? No, don't text here, just speak out. Just speak out. You just on the mic and then speak out. It's nice, right? To hear everyone voice. Have anyone done any websites, like anyone work with a freelancer before?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Once you sign up, it will ask you for technologies what you know. That is what you looking for. That means you can hear from there, like what is the jobs also we can apply from here. If you want, you can just add the technologies what you know here. So I just know this technology, so just create your names here. Do this. Just you like I'm a web developer. If you want, you can say like design and website. So I have already created. I'm just showing. After this, you need to write your description. That means what you do. Can you see this? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay, so after you need to type of your 100 characters of your you need to describe yourself. I'm just writing, already I have created. HTML5 and CS plus PHP. give a minute. And then if I give, it will ask for date of birth.
So I think that's it. That's enough for now.
Okay.
I'll
you can
give a
just,
next.
yes.
And then
You
next.
can just, your wish, you can just log into.
Yeah, I'll do that later, sir.
Okay, sure.
I'll link that later.
So write, what technology you're going to work with it.
Yeah, okay, sir. I leave it blank for now, or is it compulsory?
No, you need to write, you need to write
Okay, sir.
like 100 words about you, what you can
Okay,
do.
sir.
It must be somewhat impressive so that, other person can read
I
it,
understand.
then get. Don't keep it as interesting, you're just going to work out. So I will work with it.
Okay.
If you give us interest, it will be like studying.
Right, sir. I haven't registered this as a graduate, so is it still
It's okay,
fine?
no problem. Yeah, I know. No, don't say like that. You're a graduate or not, it doesn't matter for
Okay, sir.
those who are giving workers, right?
Hmm.
You need to say like I will work, so that they come to know if you work, so that they will give, right?
Is this enough, sir, or even 100?
100 words minimum, right?
Okay,
Here
sir.
it's showing somewhere.
I need to think.
No problem, you just write for now so that you can edit afterwards.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, done.
Yeah.
I think it's created, sir. Should I need to activate somewhere?
No, for that I'm going. Okay, actually, I bought my license for the
Okay, sir.
freelancer. So for me, it's I need to get a mail verification so that it's not coming for me.
Sir, I've created using Facebook.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem.
So I don't think I'll be getting an email because Facebook is verified.
Okay. No, actually, if you once you do the payment, so that it will ask you for verification for the mail also.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, there will be two types. For example, don't scroll. Like here, one is for payment mode. That means you are going to buy the profile where other person come to know your profile. Like in LinkedIn, your profile will reach to so many people, right?
Correct.
If you buy the premium, it will reach to like a foreigners or somewhere else, or otherwise. If you are going to do something like you see, it is for only for Indian websites. So here you can see you can just find out search about what you have given your skills, right? Here you can see
sir,
HTML,
there are
SQL
filtered here.
Yeah, so here the projects where they have been uploaded already, you can see the stars like 5 rating.
Yeah,
right?
sir.
Once you have done with any project, if customer has been satisfied with you, they will give the rating for you. Based on rating, you will get the projects. That is one thing. Another thing is based on your payment, you will get the projects. If you don't have you not done very perfectly, so that your rating will be reduced. You will not get the projects.
Yeah, like our credits again.
Yeah, starts with like our credits. If you want, for example, you can search in Upworks. You can go up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no. You can search. What technology you want to. For example, search website.
Okay. So someone's asking for a translator tool.
Yeah, see, it's an $2 to $8 USD. Here you can see, right?
Per hour.
Yeah, don't do with it. There will be some
The fixed deposit payment ones.
Yeah, no, don't do for 1 hour or 2 hours. So it will.
Okay, so we'll go for fixed price.
Right now. Yeah, go with it so that if you do some project, I can't see votes actually. Someone.
Sir, I'll zoom it.
It's okay, no problem.
How about now, sir?
That's okay. So it's like somewhere else they will ask for website help. See, specifies only for website help. Here,
Okay,
third one you can see, right? Yeah, if you do that website, they will giving the prices from 330 to $30 to 250
Based on
USDs.
our work quality.
No, based on they will give the price limit, minimum price and maximum price they will allocate.
Okay, sir.
Here, no, how much you want to, you just click on it.
Yeah, sir.
Go inside. So here you can see go down, go again. Yeah,
Okay, we
here
need to fix something.
price, right? So here how it will work means, if they given 30 to 250, so you need to select the price how much you can do. For
Okay.
example, if you went for a market, you are buying something. For example, if they given like minimum price to maximum price, or you are going to buy with your own price, right?
Yeah, correct.
Within this price you need to buy. Okay,
Got.
for
So
example,
we need to give our rate to them.
yeah, we need to give. That means how much work you can do, for that how much you are expecting. Okay. For example, you are an employee, so you went for a company, they have been fixed like minimum price and maximum price. How much work you do, how much you are expecting for that work.
Okay, yeah.
From the minimum to maximum. Yeah, not above that, not below this.
Average one.
Yeah, average. It's your wish. You can ask maximum price 250 also. Like that, there will be for one project, there will be some different bits, like for project they will take 20 bits, 30 bits, or bit means where we are going to assign the money, how much money we want.
Okay.
For project there will be only 30 members, 20 members, like 50 members or 100 members for one project. It's their wish. If you are going to allocate in 100 members, I will see the best and I will take.
Okay, sir.
No, for example, you have been bitted. That means you have been sent a request for the project. Bit means sending a request for this amount. For example, I will do for $30.
Okay.
Like that, 20 members or 30 members has been assigned for that. Within that time, he will give the time like 1 week or 3 weeks. Within these 3 weeks, I need one member.
Okay.
In that 30 members, they will see the profiles, as well as they will see the money also.
Right.
Yes, right. If I'm giving the assignment, for example, I want some project, I want to see their profile, need to be very clear, as well as I want to see how much money I want to give. If they are asking high, the profile is good, they will not accept, because money is very high, right? So they will see in both ways. Okay.
So the cost and the quality will be checked before we proceed.
Yeah, and then they will message you. If you are confirmed, they will text you in the freelancer, or you have given some contact details while registering through it.
Correct.
So they will contact you. After the contacting, they will not give you directly.
They'll give a test.
Yeah, they will give, because someone can do with the others, right? So they will pay for someone and then they can do. So what they will do is they just test you, like do some program, compare, in that project, do for me small thing, I will pay for that. He'll pay advance. He want that test simple before what they have been expected. If you given 5 days, I want this test sample. Okay, for example, if you given that before the test sample, your project is okay, he will be paying you the advance. After that, based on the owner, they will pay you at a time money or before the project, based on the trust on you. Okay. Yeah, it's very simple, freelancer, but we need to have
to update our profile. We need to be active.
Yes, we need to be very active in freelancer, and we will get some mails too. After getting the mails only, daily you will get mails. Once you have been registered, you will get the mails to the mails already. Like daily you will get the mails every day, so that you can check through mails. Not going to the every day. If you have ready to check your mails every day, you need to check the mails. What projects is there. For example, you given this many skills, right? Like Python, HTML, PHP, and everything.
Yeah.
So based on your skills, the projects will be allocated every day, day by day, one of the other. So So for related to your skills, the projects, what are the projects has been allocated newly, it will be getting the mails daily for you.
Okay.
Okay, you no need to come to the freelancer and then check every day, or 2 days
We'll be
once
getting
they will update.
recommendations, or people who have
Yes,
given us a
yes.
request will be directly given on our inbox.
Yeah, based on, not in inbox, you will get a notification.
Oh, okay. The bell icon at the top.
Yes,
here.
yes, you will get the notifications to build. You have given PHP right before. See,
Yeah.
it's an PHP, build an website, something.
Correct.
Something, how much they are looking. Okay.
Their problem statement with their price.
Yes. Once I have been, they have given you money, you can see here, in your profile, like, you have right
Yeah,
now,
a wallet.
you have 00 INR. Okay, it's based on the owner. Sometimes they will transfer to your wallet in the freelancer, or they will take your bank details and they will transfer to your bank details directly.
Okay.
This is the process where you can find, for every solution, not only in this only websites, in websites as well as, and Android development and PHP development, and somewhere we need to just correct the small things.
Even
For
error
those also-
correction is there, sir.
Yes, even error
Okay, even
corrections.
debugging.
Yeah, debugging, or if you want to write a C program, for C programs also there will be some notifications.
Okay.
If they are getting some errors, they will just post here for money. They will pay you, like, for finding the one error, they will pay you sometimes 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. It's based on cost, and if you are okay with it, so they will contact you and they will clear their errors and they will pay you money.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's like that. Freelancer will work. If you want to grow fastly in the freelancer, so you need to buy the premium, so that they will come to know how much, if you buy the premium, so that you will get the
We are
projects
loyal
very
to
fastly. Yeah,
projects.
you will get the projects very fastly, compared to normal. I have paid, before it's free only, but after I'm registering for 1 year, that means past 3 years, they make it as for money also, for making their company as money. Yeah, I can do like this. Yeah, that's it about it. So I have a meeting at 12:30. So so everyone have been done with it, registering with the freelancer. It's very useful. Actually, in lockdown, I have been earned up to 5 to 6 lakhs, and by using only freelancer.
Oh, that's great, sir.
Yeah, before I'm in college, I have earned only in my third year, I think 1,20,000. And after that, in lockdown, I got I just paid the premium, and now I'm ready to work, but there is no time for me because I'm working with the company too. Yeah. So, while studying, it's very useful, to learn something, from outside, and then to do some projects. It's very interesting to do that. If anyone doing any website projects, or working with any Unix or Node.js, you can just directly contact me by Revati ma'am. Actually, Revati ma'am is my mentor. I'm the student of Revati ma'am actually. For 4 years. Yeah, I just she is my mentor actually in my college. Yeah, before I have studied in Pratyusha, she came from Pratyusha. She is my mentor, as well as my guidance also for 4 years.
That's nice, sir.
Yeah. So she called me just to explain the basics and how you got. So I just accepted without taking anything, responding everything. So it's nice to have you here. So ma'am is here.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
here.
she's here.
Really, thank you so much. In spite of your busy schedule, accepted the invitation and given the wonderful demonstration about the web application as well as the freelancing project. Thank you so much, Bharat.
No problem, ma'am. Anyway, you are my mentor, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
It's okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, do you have any doubts or questions? You can raise up now.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I hear you.
Sir, can you show some of your interesting projects, sir, that you have made?
Yeah, that's what I told. I have showed some website. You can just go to Google and then you can type VGN school or Gengaswamy Naidu school is there in Arakonam. That both websites has been developed by me, and then one more company website, but it's not under me. I just done it for only at starting, so it's not under me. So this both I have been developed. You can just check it out. You can just Google it. Before we
Thank you,
sharing
sir.
the screen, can you just share the screen again?
Yeah, sir. Sure. I'll do it.
Okay.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes. Just go to Google and then type VGN school, so that I'll find the website what I have been developed.
What school, sir?
VGN school
VGN
Arakonam. Yeah, VGN school Arakonam.
Yeah, okay.
This was a site I have been developed in my third year. You just go to home. This was the website was developed.
Okay, sir. So was this also your freelancing project?
No. It's an outside project. Freelancer projects we can't show outside, because it will go under patents, and then they will change the names also inside.
Okay.
Because it's for business purpose. So we don't know where they use, but they will just do the assigned work, and we are just working for money in the freelancer, in the free time, and then to just learn here. Not only for money, if you learn, so that we can earn so much. It's an website. I have been launched in my web server, so I know this everything.
Sir, as a beginner, what would you tell us to do, sir, to get into this web development and stuff?
As a beginner, you need to learn first HTML, and then you will go with the CSS, and then there is some languages like Bootstrap, Node.js, framework, AngularJS. If you learn with it, and then the basic, not basic, I have been intermediate knowledge about SQL or Oracle, any database, any one of the database. So you'll become a full stack developer. Definitely you'll become a full stack developer. If you want to become an UI developer, if you know the HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, or any framework like AngularJS or something else, it's just enough for the UI developer. For the backend developer, we need databases. As a fresher, to enter into the website development, if you know some of the knowledge, you need to learn HTML and all. That's uncompulsory.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
So I will say some templates where you can if you got any projects on freelancer, so I'll say some tips. Without the coding, we can't able to code everything. In companies also, we are not going to code anything. We are just getting the code from Google, for a very simple way. But you need to know everything, because
You should know how it works. Okay, sir.
yeah, you need to know each and every line, where it comes and where you will work, where it's working. Now I will say some free templates where you can download in your own personal laptop. I just go to Google and then type free templates Colorlib. Colorlib is who is sharing the screen?
I'm sharing, sir.
Yeah, I just go to Google again.
Okay, sir.
I will show the template. So after that,
Yes, sir. What do you want me to search?
Colorlib, CYLOR
LIB.
Colorlib free templates.
Search that also.
Here you can see, come down. Yeah, this is the websites where you can buy the websites. You just open anyone.
Okay, I'll click this one.
Yeah, come down. You can just click on preview. It's not working.
I think this is the preview, right, sir? Menu.
It's not open for me. That's why.
Okay, sir. Is it visible now?
Yeah. It's visible. Yeah, this is the one of the website. Like this. It's already will be there in the internet, which have been already coded. If you want, you can buy like which is very highly decorated with CSS and Bootstrap. If you're seeing that
Yeah, sir. This is the
only,
price chart.
yeah, you can buy the single page for 19 rupees, and for the
Dollars.
membership you need to buy so sorry, dollars.
So you use this personally, sir?
In every company they use, but for me, when I am making the like basics, I just try to code, because if you once you try to code only, then you come to know the everything. After that,
Then
once you
only we
enter
will
to
know
the
to modify. Okay, sir.
yeah, without if you just copy paste, so you will not come to know anything. We just copy paste, and then we will not come to know where the error is occurring, where the website will become like very headache at the time. If you want to try to code only, then you come to know everything, where the code is working, where code is not working, where we need to change, where we need to update, where we need to insert something, so everything. So as you are fresher, so I suggest you to try with your own hands. Don't try this, I'm just telling this only when you are trying with the big projects, not with a single web page or 2 to 3 web pages, or not like that. I don't suggest this. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, sure. You can ask.
So the website you have shared, how do we run it in secure mode, sir? Like as
Yeah,
I
it's,
explained, it's not there. It's not in HTTPS or any other secure protocol. So what
Actually,
would
it
be your
is-
suggestion?
Actually, for school websites and all, they not use that much security. If
Okay,
you
sir.
want to run with very securely, we need to buy the space in the web server, like
Sir, GoDaddy from GoDaddy and stuff, sir. That domain,
GoDaddy.
with that domain, and they give an SSLC some kind of security certificate. That one,
Yeah,
sir.
they will give. Yeah, they will give, but for payment and all, if you use, that's not that much secure. If you
Okay.
once trying to use from your website, that means
Yeah, so
GoDaddy
like
is
from
not-
HTML from scratch when you're doing a website, how would be the approach?
Yeah, okay. You're asking like how can
Yeah.
you upload, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as he told, like so you can use GoDaddy websites. GoDaddy is also one of the web server. They will provide for
Okay.
free of cost also. Okay.
They sell domains, I think.
Yeah, they will sell the domains,
But
as
even
well
the
as,
security.
yeah, even the security too. But once you need to check with it, it is working or not. There is a servers,
Yeah,
free
they're
servers
giving
in
SSL.
your. Yeah. Let me finish. If you want to check in your own system, that means not in the internet. If you want to check in your own laptop, it's working. It will work with the in internet well and good. Sometimes if you are uploading a website into the it's an into a web server, so it will sometimes it will collapse your design. Okay. So before that, we need to check with the there is some servers which is available in internet. Do you listen about XAMPP?
No, sir.
There will be some servers where you need to install in your laptop before uploading to your web services. Okay. XAMPP. You can just type the XAMPP.
Spelling, sir?
XAMPP. XAMMP.
MPP or MMP?
Yeah, MAPP. I think so. MPP.
MPP.
Yeah, it's an XAMPP server. No, if you go with it, if you want to download, it will take 250 MB or I think something else. Before I downloaded for 250 MB.
Okay.
If you downloaded this XAMPP server, it will automatically allow you to run from your browser directly. Okay, from the local server. XAMPP is like a local.
Oh, it's
server.
like a local server. Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's only for your local server where the code will be there in the XAMPP. In the XAMPP, you can check, the design is collapsing or we need to do some changes in it. It will run, like something, what to say, Apache. It's an Apache server where they have been used for XAMPP, for the local server, sorry. Here Apache will be there where you can see only from your browser. Okay. XAMPP and WAMP also will be there. WAMPP. WAMP also another server, but I suggest XAMPP. It's
They
a
are
very
similar.
easy. Yeah, similar, but no, but it's somewhat a bit easy compared to WAMP.
Okay.
I suggest XAMPP. You can for the XAMPP, if you use, we can run PHP codes and all will be directly. So it's nice. It's nice to use.
Mhm.
For the web services, it's based on your weight. That means your CSS code. If you use CSS, it will weight more, and it will
Those
take for
fonts and
loading.
templates have more size, right? For that reason, sir.
No, actually, there will be two types. If you use HTML, it's very lightweight code.
Mhm.
For example, if you go for post office, they will check the weight of the parcel, right?
Correct.
Yeah, based on like this HTML, Bootstrap. If you use any framework, it will be lightweight code. Okay. If you add any CSS very heavy code. It will take to run to run. It will take no. If you run some websites, it will take like circle. It will take some time, right?
Loading.
For loading, it will take some time, right?
Correct.
So
Yeah.
that means it will be for avoiding this only we go for Bootstrap.
Okay.
If you use the CSS code, it will be like it's not nice. It will be taking time to load every time. So we go with the Bootstrap at the time. First, for definitely you need to know CSS. Yeah, because if you know the basics of CSS, we can do some magics in CSS where we can't do in Bootstrap.
Right.
So we try to reduce CSS code in every page, but we implement that things in Bootstrap. That's it.
Sir, but for basic websites, CSS is enough, right, sir?
Yeah, for basic websites, CSS is enough. No need to go for Bootstrap and all. If you know, based on this weight only, we are going to host into the server. If the weight is very high, the cost will be very high. Before you told in GoDaddy, right? In GoDaddy also it will be like selling for web services like HTTPS. You asked before, right? It will be based on weight. For example, if the CSS code is very high, it will cost around 5,000 to post your web page or website. Okay, if your CSS code is low, that means it is a very low code, then it will cost around 2,000 or 2,500, sometimes 3,000. If you use CSS very high, so maintenance also will be reduced. Maintenance will be very high per year. How much they will take, we also don't know, based on their sellings. That's it.
Sir, what do you think about WordPress?
Yeah, WordPress also is very nice. So that's no, I don't have any idea about it, because I don't work with it.
Because in GoDaddy they give you an offer, like if you edit your website in WordPress, they give you some offer. And they offer you in very less, like 1,500 per year, like that, sir. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, I don't check it with it. Once I come to know, okay, I will inform. That's not.
Thank you, sir.
No, we can do so many things in WordPress also, but I don't have any idea about it because I work fully with HTML, CSS and all. So I don't even try with it before. So is there anything? So
Okay, I think that's it for me, sir.
The students are ended with the questions, Bharat. Everything
Okay.
is perfect, keen and note. Everything is good. Yes. Sanjay,
So,
did you share the feedback link?
yes, ma'am, I will share
Yeah,
it.
ma'am. The feedback link will be in the chat box by Sanjay.
Yeah, fine.
I have shared, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Can propose a vote of thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, before that, special thanks on behalf of our HOD sir and myself, Bharat. Without giving any, without saying no to me, suddenly accepted the invitation and given the very useful session to our students. Thank you so much, Bharat.
That's okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, can propose a vote of thanks.
Yeah, ma'am. So I would like to thank Mr. Bharat sir for sparing his time training us despite his schedule. This session was really useful for our club VMAX for web development, as we gain so much knowledge about this. Thank you so much, sir, for such a wonderful experiential learning. And I also extend my thankfulness to our HOD sir and our coordinator for arranging us a beneficial session like this. And also our dear participants who have come here to make this session of ours very lively. Thank you, everyone.